Today, I'm organizing the chaos that is under my kitchen sink. I've been wanting to do this since we moved in. How it has already got like this in a matter of months, we don't have to discuss. We're gonna start by removing everything first. I'm a cleaning product hoarder. I love them, but once those are all cleared out, let's give her a little wipe down. I got this cool under the sink mat. It fits perfectly. It's silicone, so it's easy to wipe down and it protects your cabinet. I love these pull-out drawer organizers. It's the best solution for bottom cabinets. You can reach everything easily. I'm just filling them up with my favorite sponges. I'm a scrub mommy freak. It's the only sponge I use. They're the best. If you need a really good scrub because you left spaghetti on the stove for 3 days, get the bamboo ones. For the bottom row, I use that for kitchen towels. This set is from Amazon. They're very absorbent, and the back ones are the Target Casaluna waffle knit towels. This is always an awkward space to organize because you have the garbage disposal, different wires hanging down, so use all of the vertical space possible by stacking up. These are stackable containers from Amazon. I use them for my disposal cleaner and detergent pods, so they're easy to grab. Since detergent pods are the things we reach for the most, I wanted to add some height, so we use this container for miscellaneous kitchen products. This container is used for our hand soaps. We are always running out of hand soap, so I like to have a lot on hand. These containers are awesome because they roll, so everything is very convenient to get to. I kept everything that we use the most under here, so our multi-surface and glass cleaners, and moved everything else to our linen closet. I'm really happy with this system. I think it's going to function well for our family. Then lastly, I added this gold adhesive towel bar. Super easy to apply. You stick it onto your cabinet. It keeps it out of the way but easy to reach. And that's everything. I'm so happy this space is finally done.